Hi, myself Dr. Somashekhar IC, working as Associate Professor, Vidyardhaka College of Engineering, Mysuru, Karnataka. It's my pleasure to be part of this 12th case study workshop where I learned a lot of things. What lot of things? Earlier, I used to be in the research, but now I want to know that what is the case study, how to teach this, how to write this, how to publish this. So this is a workshop where I got more exploration with respect to what is the structure of the case, how to teach it, and before teaching, how to write it. And for the writing, they given the exercise to us, so that exercise made us to see that what are the challenges while writing the case. And this exercise made us to understand and framed us with a lot of questions. The questions like, what is part of this particular case writing? What to be included, what not to be included? Who will be the protagonist? And then, what is the flow of this particular case writing? So in that way, I came with a lot of question marks, and all those question marks were answered by the great Professor Sanjeev Puri. The Sanjeev Puri is handling the questions in such a way that by opening the chunks in this case writing, and he helped us to understand what is the dilemma, what is the importance of the dilemma in a case, and how it is different from the research paper, and the role of dilemma, how it can be connected with the teaching note. And the day one, he totally made us to understand that what is the role of this particular dilemma in a case, and how to identify the dilemma, and how to connect with the particular academic part, because this case writing is ultimately connected with the target audience, that is the fellow academicians. And we can use, using these particular cases, we can connect with the concept, theoretic concepts, what we want to deliver in the classrooms. Ultimately, if we take the case writing, the target group is, that is ultimately the students, but how to address the students and how to address the theoretic concepts connecting with the industry practices through a case. So this was explained very well by the Sanjeev Puri, and also I am very grateful to the IIM Calcutta, where they organized such a wonderful program and made us to understand and give us very wide, we can say very excellent hospitality and excellent environment to learn and to interact. So all these facilities help me specifically to learn in a better way. So those who are interested, yes, you can join and wait for the 2025, the same case study workshop. Thank you all.